Hi everyone, I've got Caitlin here helping me figure out 12 times 1.5. Now, I think when you first looked at it, you didn't know what this was, but you have a really good strategy to use, right? And so what's your strategy, Caitlin?
I know I can split the 1 in the 0.5 to 1 in 0.5.
And 0.5. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to go 12 times 1, right? And then 12 times 0.5. And then you'll just add them together, right?
Yeah.
It's super easy. So 12 times 1, I know you know that, right?
Yes.
It's 12. But this might be a little bit different and a little bit harder for people watching. Like 12 times 0.5, that's like, how else can they think of that?
Well, you can also do 12 divided by 2.
Ah, yeah, so it's like half, right?
Yes.
So half of that. Or even, you've been doing lots of percents, 50% of 12, right? So half of 12 is what?
6.
Okay, and then, so we have 12 plus 6, which...
18.
Perfect. And then, so we just have to finish this off. So 12 times 1.5 equals 18.
Hi everyone, today we're doing 12 times 1.5 and we have Mark here to help us today.
Hey Anna, so you have a strategy I hear for solving 12 times 1.5. You want to walk me through it?
Well, first I want to ignore that little period over there and do 12 times 15.
Okay, so you just want to ignore the decimal place and you're going to do 12 times 15. So how are you going to do this?
So I just want to split the 15 into 10 and 5.
Okay.
And then I know 10 times 12 is 120.
Okay. So 12 times 10 equals 120. Mm-hmm.
And I know 10 times 12 is...
Yeah, you did that one. You did the 10 times 12.
Oh yeah, 5 times 12 is 50.
Okay, so then you get the 5 times 12, which is...
50.
50?
Yeah.
Well, let's check. What would you do, like, if you split the same thing? What would you do?
I would just go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Nice. Okay. So then, if we think about this, then we've got... What's 12 times 15?
12 times 15, well, you just add these together, so that's 180.
All right. So let's go back. So you're right. So we've got 12 times 15, which equals 180.
Yeah.
But you multiply...
I skipped the decimal.
Mm-hmm. So what are you going to do?
now I have to take that decimal and put it right here.
And so what's 12 times 1.5?
18.
Okay, because you moved the decimal place over once, because you're dividing it by the 10.
Yeah.
Nice idea, Anna.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.